Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Seng Kongres ka Basyong Hakaliang Persya jong ka ying dorbar thawan ka Sorkar Jilla kala Dawa badai bantung Tohkit da ka Central Bureau of Investigation halor ka Kynnoh baka Bamsap Bampong kala Jyrsieh Shabapalan Hapoh ka Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka Seng National People's Party. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai kubor. Undong ay kitin jong ka Seng Kongres Uzenet M. Sangma ula Kynnoh baka Sorkar MDA Hapoh ka jingilam jong Konrad Sangma kumu menteri rangba kaladap satang ki Jyrsieh sudah lakalong ha ka jingkayi be anyu doyong lakalong ha ka basyalan be anyi ki marklau bat lakalong ha ki kam ki bayadei bat ka kamsam boarding jong ka Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited.
What is the ways and means being adopted by this present government to loot the state? In Saubhagya scheme, for the local contractors, the contract was awarded as per the schedule of rate. But for the contractors who are from outside, they had been offered at more than 51% above the schedule of rate, because of which extra cost escalation of 180 crores were involved, and 15% of the total cost has to be borne by the state government as state share. If you calculate 180 crores, 15% share is coming up to the tune of 27 crores. Is it not a big amount? So, therefore, it is in the dangerous situation. I think all of us should think very deeply and rescue the state from getting looted by these corrupt people and save the state. In this present MDA government led by Mr. Konrad Sangma, corruption can be seen everywhere, almost in all the departments, in all the revenue departments, and that is allegedly with the patronage of the people in authority. When I say people in authority, means the political bosses in the government. The corruption has reached to the backbone, be it in illegal coal mining and illegal transportation of coal, be it smuggling of different forest produces, be it in different activities in the MSL, the power sector, so on and so forth. And here what happened? That is the well-scripted modus operandi of this present MD government. There also, they have made one new scheme, which is called one-time settlement scheme, wherein 30% of the total outstanding dues is being waived off. That is the offer being given. So if you calculate, out of 650 crores, 30% of 650 crores is coming to 195 crores. Is it not a big amount for the state like ours when we are facing lots of financial problems? Likewise, in emission, there also they have met one-time settlement scheme to the industries, and the outstanding dues is more than 700 crores. If you calculate 30% waiving being offered to these industries, the 30% of 700 crores is coming to the tune of 210 crores. Is it not a big amount? So this is the modus operandi of this present government. In emission, this controversial smart meter tendering, the market rate of a smart meter is between 3,000 to 4,000. But the rate being offered in the tender is 9,000, more than double than the market rate. There are lots of illegalities across the state, in every nook and corner. But then I will just cite the example of one place only. In Ribhoi district, from Kiling to Rani, in the vicinity of Guwahati, bordering the state of Assam, there are huge stone quarries, lots of machineries. Then, during normal days, 4,000 trucks of stone aggregates used to be exported to the state of Assam. If you calculate 800 per cubic meter revenue as royalty, how much it is coming, you can just imagine. And during this pandemic time also, very interestingly, this is not stopped. More than 1,000 trucks of stone aggregates are going outside the state. So if you calculate even 10 cubic meter per truck, otherwise it is more than 10 cubic meter. If you consider 10 cubic meter per truck also, if it is calculated at 800, how much it is coming? More than 80 lakhs revenue is being drained out every day. So if we can just imagine. So friends, who is looking after these departments? Taxation is being, who is the taxation minister? Mr. James K. Sangma. Who is forest minister? Mr. James K. Sangma. Who is minister in charge of power? Mr. James K. Sangma. So you can imagine the intent of these people. So when these kind of allegations are before the government, it is incumbent upon the government to immediately respond and make independent inquiry into this. That too, not with any other agencies, but by the premium agency which deals with the corruption, that is CBI.
Shushu uzenit sangma ulo Kynnoh ru ba wat katanat lum khajna jong ka Sorkar kamshim lala ban ai jing Kenya ka value add tax na ki arspa lai photli ki petrol pump ki badon ha baro ka wai ka jilla hagini ki license balala no.
See, even in taxation department, one of the highest revenue generating department in the state of Meghalaya. These petrol pumps, the government has not realized the tax because petroleum is not within the ambit of the GST. So it is with the state only. So they have to pay the VAT. The government has not realized it for more than 3 years. Now, the revenue dues have been accumulated. We have got around 330 petrol pumps across the state. And we could find out that the minimum, the lowest outstanding due that the petrol pump, any single petrol pump is having is not less than 2 crores. Some petrol pumps are having the outstanding due of 4 crores, 5 crores, 6 crores. So if you even calculate at an average of 3 crores per petrol pump, it is coming more than 650 crores. That is outstanding due only from petrol pump to be realized by the taxation department.